Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is thrust and pressure. Thrust and pressure. Let us discuss between them. What is thrust and pressure? Thrust is a perpendicular force. It is a perpendicular force. And what is pressure? Pressure is equal to thrust upon area, or you can say force upon area. Force upon area. Right. Let us take an example. Suppose I am I am putting an iron nail with an hammer, into the wall. Iron nail with hammer into the wall. Into the wall. So this is the case of thrust, right? Because here we can see like this is iron nail and we are putting force on this side, so we can understand it is perpendicular to the surface. So this is thrust. Thrust is a perpendicular force, right? And what is pressure? Let us take an example. Like we are pasting a poster on a wall. So we must see, well, while pasting a poster on a wall, we apply pressure on every surface, right? On each and every part of the surface. So pressure is what? It depends on the area. It is inversely proportional to area. As we can see that while applying pressure on the wall, while pasting a poster, we do not apply perpendicular force. हम इस तरीके से force नहीं लगाते, right? What do we do? We apply force on each and every part of it. So what is thrust? Thrust is a perpendicular force, and what is pressure? It is thrust upon area. Alright. Now we will discuss how pressure and area are related to each other. So we can say that as they are inversely proportional to each other, where pressure will increase, area has to be less. Area has to be less, right? And when area, and vice versa means when area increases, pressure will be less, right? Vice versa, right? So we will take some examples. For an example, this is a very important example, like while handling the school bags, due to the straps of the school bags are very thin, right? Due to the straps are thin, their area is less. So when the area is less, pressure will be more. So that is why we can see straps on our shoulders. It increases more pressure onto it. I will take one more example, like cutting through a knife. We see that knife is a single blade, है ना, which is having very less area. So less area means highest pressure, है ना. आप देखते होंगे जो what do people do, इसकी जो knife को और इसको क्या कहते हैं, इसको शार्पर बनाते हैं ताकि और अच्छे से वर्क कर सके. मीन्स उतना ही एरिया इसका कम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट थ्रस्ट एंड प्रेशर, right? Thrust means perpendicular force, and pressure is, that is, force applied at every particular part of the particular surface.